You're next to me. Right back on my bullshit, right back out of these streets. Just remember that you did this to yourself. And you yourself with the consequences. Someone else and wasting time debating about who I'm with when I'm not around. Just don't forget who you're fucking with when stepping on hollow ground. All right. Woo! Yo, I worked out. I went to work out, and for the first time since I started working out, my body gave out midway. I wasn't able to complete my routine, you'd call it. It's kind of sad to be honest. You did this to me. I'm right back on my bullshit, right back out of the streets. Just remember that you did this to yourself. Now you're gonna suffer consequences. You did this to me. I'm right back on my bullshit, right back out of the streets. Just remember that you did this to yourself. Now you're gonna up, now you're gonna up, now you're gonna suffer the consequences. All right. All right. We got interesting. All right. Okay. So, this is our back test. On this day was. Wait. This is weird. Pretty sure it was indecisive. Oh, yeah. We changed and came back indecisive. Pretty sure weekly was indecisive because we can't go back and check. Oh, shit. We ended up. Oh, my God. It was a new week, bro. Let's just go back and cancel. Let's go back and. It was a whole new week. Let's go check what the week is. If you go to the daily, well, we was indecisive. That's why we yep makes it. And then the weekly. Oh, okay. So we're fine then. All right, we're fine then. You did this to me. Oh, and monthly was and bullish price action. I'm right back on my bullshit, right back out of the streets. Just remember that you did this to yourself. Now you can suffer the consequences. Alright, so that's what we had on these days. Let's just go back to our. We just finished trading this day. I mean, might as well. Alright, so this is 5 a.m. 6. Why are there red lines here already? Oh, wait, why are there red lines here already? Why is there black lines here? Did we already trade this? I'm kind of confused to be very honest with you. Oh, we did. Interesting. Completely forgot about it. 4 a.m. and then go to the 15. We have a black line here, here for sure. Here is iffy, here is iffy. Let's delete this one. That's we'll just give this one just this, honestly. But this only went up this much. I'll say we don't have a black line. Let's just let it be. We have these 15-minute lows that are pretty obvious. I like them. I want to go back and see, just do a quick analysis on the prior 2 days we traded. Coming into this day, Monday, uptrend but indecisive week, and downtrend but bullish price action. But on, oh no, downtrend. This was coming into Monday. This was indecisive. It opened up. It opened here, closed here. So it was indecisive. Went to the high, came down, came back up. So indecisive, and then so Monday, knowing that we're on a downtrend and indecisive, we are on an uptrend overall, but downtrend, indecisive temporarily, and indecisive on the weekly, but uptrend still. So coming in, we still know overall on an uptrend. There was volume to the downside on this day, but coming into the trading day, there wasn't much. I mean, there's volume here, but there wasn't much. We just had this low, which price we respected quite well, and we have this low, so we could have taken. We did take our 15%, 10% risk in here, be 90, and then 15% risk in here, that'll be 130 or 140. We got 280, yeah. So we definitely got our 10%, 20% out. We got another probably 20% out here, and then we're holding the 1%, and then with the 1%, price pulled back hard, came back up, pushed down again. We're like, okay, this volume was crazy. More volume was crazy. We came back up though, respected this zone, broke below it, but respected this zone. There's a zone here too. We pushed back up again, we rejected with volume, pushed back up again, rejected with volume, but the next candle was bearish, so we took a trade there. Went in on our short, risking 120, probably risk 120 on the what's it called, on the 15%, and then risk maybe 65, maybe risk 90 on the 10%. Or maybe 160 and 120, and then we're looking for 280, which we don't get. But we get an add here, yeah, maybe 150 and 120. I guess the 90 and 120, 90 and 130. So with the 90, if it was 90, then the 90 got 180 here, we got 180 here. We got adds here. At this point, we're break even on. Basically, we're break even on this trade. We add here another 15%. Add here another 15%, and that will be, so we're risking 100 basically, or just above this high, so 95, and then add another, maybe 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 it may just be 15%, given that we could break even on this. Because we could break even on this, we may just add the 25%. So we just add on that 10. So 10% here and 25% higher, so 140. I'll probably have to close everything here because of price was really choppy coming down, and we know that there is a whole bunch of rejections that could occur here. Just like today, we knew there was rejection here, but price broke through, but we didn't get a continuation. So, but we knew there was rejection here. So on this candle, we did close a couple on this candle, and it was already past 1 p.m. And we did close a couple on this candle, and then when this happened, we closed. But on this day, we would not have the opportunity. We would close the couple on this candle, maybe close all of this remaining 3, and then close 2 of the 3 here, and then we'll leave 3, and that will support our break even. So, oof, that's a nice crack. Yes, sir. And then coming into the next day, so we have this again indecisive because price open here. Oh yeah, this was bullish, but a bunch of rejection at the top side. So coming into the day, we know that there's more volume coming into the short side. Nice volume yesterday, nice volume to short side on the Friday prior day, and then now we come in this day. Again, we're still on an uptrend overall. But how, and on this day, just like this prior day, there was no prior, except for this, but there was no prior indication that price wants to go down. Now I guess it's the same thing, but regardless, even if you didn't have this, you could just say, well, there was volume to the downside. This is not clean, so we don't really care about this. So there's volume to the downside, That was what caused. So on this day, same. We come in on the day at 7:30. We were looking for a pullback to this area here. We didn't get it. We got a push up with rejection, right? And on that rejection, there's really not much. We don't know whether it starts shorting yet. So, but we're also not going to go long yet. So we wait. It went up. Rejected. Volume to the downside. This low kind of is holding, but we don't know if price wants to continue downwards or go back up at this black candle here. So, but we want price to come down to this low so we can risk this low and this here. Honestly, if we took a trade here risking the same points, it's not a bad idea too, but because at this point there's rejection, we don't know if price wants to continue or not, because there was still a lot of volume on this candle. So we could have taken the trades here, risking here 80, so 100, and risking 130 on the other probably. So that 100 does not get stopped out, and the 130 does not get stopped out, and then this happens. So now we know, okay, there's volume coming in now. We get pushed back up. So on the way back, this was nice volume. So maybe finally this low wants to work is what I'll be thinking at this point. Nice rejection, nice volume. Maybe this low wants to work, but then rejection again. On this, I'll be like, okay, I don't know what's happening, but we are rejecting and we're still holding. So we need to see some kind of confirmation that where does price want to go, because price is neither going up nor is it going down. But we do know that there's a lot of volume rejecting from this high. So we come back again as it's approaching rejection, another solid rejection, good volume, but not the best. It's good volume, but not the best. But this candle here was really good volume. So if anything, we will get in on, even as it was going up here, you see rejection, it was just rejecting, and then this candle was really good volume. So we'll get in on this one. So we switch, so our long would have been here. We'll switch everything, close all the longs, get in short here. Take the 47. We're gonna take risking. So the 15% will be risking maybe 120. So 47. 47. Maybe we risk. Actually, maybe we risk since it's the one low, we can risk maybe 60 on top of that, so 50, 110, and then the 10% will risk maybe 50 30 on top of that, so 110 or 110 and 80 maybe. So 80, 110 is what our risk, what we're risking, pretty high up above in comparison, right? So 80 and 1 maybe, so we would always just risk 40 and 60 above current low. I think that should be, if that was here, this was current low per se, quote and unquote. If we did go 40 and 60, so 40 would have been 100, which is there, and 60 would have been 120. Not a bad idea. Not a bad idea at all. In this case here, this is the current low now, not necessarily, but let's just say so 40, 20 plus 40, 60, but we have a low right there, because this is not necessarily the current low. It's not formed yet. It's rejecting, but it's not formed really yet. It needs to, like, this is a low. This has really gone up. This didn't go much, just went there and came down. So I'd rather just use this low gingerly and take that 80, risking 100, and then that even gives us this low, and then use this low for the second one, so that 90 give me 110. That'll be the risk. And so we're getting both trades here. Price starts to chop up, chop up, chop up. So we had I think 60-80. Let's do 60-80. Or 80 or 60-100. Let's do 60-100. So in that case, it'll be, we have the high here, 50. So 150 and 110. So we risk one. Our 10% will be risking 110 above this high. So looking for 220, which we get right at the bottom there. Plus that came right to this consolidation here. Very more than likely, so we would have closed everything here anyways. 60-100. So 50, so 150, looking for 300. We close it all here. I just went 135, so likely not getting another trade. I'm thinking, because remember we used to have that 40 up, 40 below current low or whatever. So now that we're taking two different lows, we'll just do 40, 40 and 80. Yeah, 40 and 80. So in this case, it would have been 40, so 50, so 90, and then 50 plus 80 would be 130, 130, 260. Not bad, not bad. So 40 and 80, and then otherwise we'll just go 20 below or under. So in this case, because our low that we're using is here, we'll take this trade here, risking 20 below this low, so whatever it is, and then 20 below this low, so whatever it is. So alright, and then now let us come to this day. We have this low here, we have this low here. These are very good lows. And remember, the prior, this day was looks indecisive. Started here, no, it started here, had a low, pushed up to these highs, push back down to the low, push back up, so it closed here. So it's bullish with rejection. So we're still on a downtrend. Are we still on a downtrend? I think we've switched to an uptrend now, because we had a low here, last week's low. past 2 days, I'd have to go back and check. Shit, man. Anyway, we'll just check real quick. So, yeah, uptrend. We are now on an uptrend. The downtrend has shaped. This is now the swing low. This is now this. Oh, we're on uptrend. We're already on an uptrend. So we're back to uptrend on the day. Uptrend on the day from this candle here, and now bullish price action or rejection at the top is what the prior candle was. It's what this candle was. So we'll now we have this low here. It's not a bad low right there. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the low here. So uptrend on the day, bullish but with rejection, right? And we have do we do our 15 yet? I mean, this we can go and do it right now. That's some nice rejection on the top side there. We didn't do our 15 yet, did we? Or did we not see any? We did. There are some bullish moves here. So some black line here. This, I guess, the same black line I'm still seeing. Just these two is all I'm seeing. Yeah. So go back. We have these black lines here. For this low, yeah, I wouldn't use this low. Honestly, I wouldn't use this low. So I want price to come here. So we won't use this low. I want price to come here and we use this low. As for the shorts, let price go up and then we can, because everything's on an uptrend, but the last week was indecisive, and so even though this week is, even though we're still bullish, last week was indecisive, and even though we've gone to an uptrend on the daily, we still have, again, mentally, I know we have rejections and there's a lot of bearish momentum coming in. So if price pushes up here, I would like to take a short, risking this low and this high and this high. So let's see. First candle, no rejection. Second candle, nice push. Oof. No rejection on that at all. So that's an okay rejection. That's an okay rejection right there. But we don't like the prior candle, so wait. But it's formed a low here now, which is good. Oh, that's a really good low. But hey, I like that rejection there. We haven't broken above this. So there's a base here that formed. Drop base drop. We haven't broken above this week here. Let's see another rejection. Nice rejection. Nice, very nice rejection. Okay, I'll take a short there. Right there, because this is the week we need to break above. I'll risk, my first one will be, so this plus 40. Oh, this plus 20, because this is the no, it's under 50. We just this plus 40, so 35 plus 40 is 75. So we'll just risk this high 75, and then the other trade will be risking. Jeff, yo, what's up, man? How is you doing? You see how I know that you popped up? Because of the message thing. I've been good, man. I went to work out, and yo, my body kind of gave out, so I was only able to do half of what my routine was for today. But it's fine though, because I didn't have to do any of the big three. I didn't have to do squats or deadlifts or bench press today, so I just did. It was just normal. It was just chill. But I could tell my body was giving out, so I just didn't want to do much today anymore, because I want to be able to work out tomorrow, and I want to be able to work out the next day after. Cause I gotta work out on Friday again, and then on Sunday, and then on Tuesday, and then on Thursday before I rest over the weekend. But I also want to be able to exercise every day, so I can't push my body too much at any given day if I want to do it the next day. That's the way I think. I don't want to kill myself today because I want to do it. I want to be able to do it tomorrow. Consistency to me is more important than the one time push per se. So So on this we have 75, taking this trade, risking 75, and then risking up here this plus under 20, so 120. Yeah, so 120, and so this high and then 120 here. These are the two trades. Obviously the bigger one is 15%, the smaller one is 10%. It broke the high, we don't like that, but we'll keep watching. Has some nice rejections. Remember this low here, so price may form something, and oh, that's a nice rejection. So the question now is, do we, and there's a black line here too, which is price really popped up from here, so do we want to keep this trade? It didn't have a lot of volume going back down. Compare this to today, when it went back down after rejecting the base, there was a lot of volume going back down. Compare this to the prior rejections over on the base. When it came back down over the base, there was a lot of volume. So given that there's not much volume in this, we'll close. I don't think we should close this. I don't think we should close it. How is your evening, Jeff? How is your evening, sir? What should I do here? I'll give you another candle. Oh, yeah, I'll just hold this. It's rejecting these lows here, but I don't really like this one. These are the type of lows that, remember, they attract price to come and break them. It's like they're calling price to break them. So I'll just see. It's like it's calling price. Can you come break me, please? Break me. Yes, sir. Let's get the workout in. Yes, sir. You probably sleep at 9 p.m. eh? Or I don't know, maybe you're 2 hours ahead or something, so you could sleep at 11, or maybe you have a lot more. Because right now it's 8:16 my time. So I don't know what time it is there. It's probably late too. This is not very good. Oh, and there's a black line here. Price on the downtrend too. Risking 75, looking for 150. Now there's a lot of volume to the short side. I'm gonna hold this. There's a lot of volume to the short side, so I'm gonna hold this. That's gonna be my reason. A lot of volume to the short side, so today there's been more volume to the short side, like boom, 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 rejection. Now, but here there's not much volume. But on this candle, volume has come back. Oh my god. Well, this broke this low, so we'll hold. We'll break even on everything. Just put it break even on everything. Oh my god. Oh my god. Man. Like if we had switched, we would have been getting in here, risking below this, so 50. So give me 50 plus a good 20 or a good 40. So we get 90 there. We'll just do 20, so 70. We'll just do 90. So 50 plus 90. 50 plus 40, we get 90 there. So that's risking below this low there, and then we'll just risk 20 under this one, so maybe 140 or 150. So we won't get stopped out regardless. It's just, ugh. It's just, oh my god. It's like, I mean, there was a lot of weakness coming down, is why I was very hesitant. So there's a lot of weakness to the short side coming down. Because there's a lot of rejection, is why I was hesitant. If anything, we could have just gotten in, switched it to short there. Since we didn't want to get out here, we could, after this candle here, could have switched it to short because it was really holding. Like there's a lot of, it was first of all very strong, and then it breaks through, is weak still. So we could have taken that this time around, just risk 50 plus, so 70, and then 120 or something, and then that will give us 70. We're looking for 140. Price is rejecting this base still, this high, so there is that. Oh yeah, 140 there, that would be nice. Oh my god, oh my god, look at the push. The black line is just impeccable. 50, 70 and 120, looking for 240. The black line that we put is impeccable. Oh my god. Volume has not really come into the short side anymore. Oh, there you go. That's good volume. But it's not enough for us to switch our trades. We may close, since we're in still with the, we close the 2, we're in with the 3 still. Just let it be. It's not enough volume. It's grinding down, but it has a lot of rejection. Oh my god, that's volume right there. Oh, nice. Oh no. Oof. This base may hold, so, or not. Yeah, it didn't hold. Price is just grinding down. Yeah, that base was not the best, but because it's on the 5 too. So our best bet, once that came in, that's like, that was a hint. It wasn't necessarily get out at that candle, but it's a hint. And then once this volume came in, your best bet was probably to, I thought this was gonna close with volume, but no. Your best bet was probably to get out all your trades long and going short, because volume has now come into the short side, and remember there's a lot of volume to the short side already. So you come into the short side, you want to risk above the high. So first we risk this high here, so risk above the high 40, above the high is 90, so this is already 70, so 90 regardless, 90, and then you want to risk above this high with 20, so another 1, so this was 110, so another 130, so 130 and 90. So you have been taking some, so this would have taken profit here, you have taken 2R on this, and then profit, and then, because this would have been risking under this low and under this low, and this is, this down here, all the way down here, is risking a little bit above this low, above this high, and above this high. So 90, we're looking for 180, but remember that price really went up from here, so I don't know, I'm thinking price will continue back up, but let's get a black candle rejection first. Not that one, like, let's get it lower. Okay, that's good though. Well, price already used this, and it's forming, no, it's forming, what's it called, the only way price will break this is if it shoots up nastily, but it's forming, if we get nice volume to the upside from here, sure, we can end it, but right now it's forming bases as it's going down, so it's looking like it's trending down. It doesn't look like something that will break back upwards, so we'll just hold this. Oh my god, look at that. What's the time? 11:30. Why is price so annoying? Honestly, I'm thinking we just hold this. Maybe at the first try, sure. And we held it through this candle, right? And when it broke and rejected like this, we're like, okay, sure. This rejection is something that likely closes, like likely feels back. Remember what I said before? So let's see if you break. It's holding, it's holding, it is holding. I do not like that. Price wants to just keep. See what I said? This is the volume I was saying. This is the I said if price is gonna break this place, it would need this volume. Oh my god! Come on, man! Come on! It just feels good. It just feels good. Anyhow, yeah, because of the concept, because of the way price traded, it formed a base, formed a base, formed. If price is gonna break through, it would need volume. But now we got the volume, but it wasn't. What's it called? It wasn't. It closed bad. So here, if you had switched your trade, not you probably won't want to switch. But we're risking 90, right? 90, yeah, 90. Do we get 180? No, not 180. If you had switched your trade on everything here, and again taking those same risks that you took prior, because it did push up from here, so you could expect a good push up. So you'll be looking for 140 again, right? You got your 2 hour again on that 140, but you could expect another push up. But I don't know. I just it feels, and this is a low we like. We didn't like this low, so we held through it. But this is a low we like, so we waited for this candle, waited for the next candle to show some kind of, because we expect this type of candle to fill to the downside, just like this type of candle. We expect it to fill to the downside. So it failed, but it rejected again. So that point may not have been a bad idea to switch all your trades. But yeah, if you didn't switch, so now if you took this trade, probably want to put a break here and just hold it long, because sometimes I don't know what kind of volume. It's 12 o'clock. Some kind of volume is coming, maybe news. So you may just want to hold your long, and but it may drop. It may drop. So looks good. Looks good. Oh, looks really good. Oh my god. Oh, that's really, 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 really nasty rejection. And on top of volume too. Plus the day is already short. Definitely, this one I will not even think twice. I want to switch my trades. Want to switch my trades. I will close all my longs there. So that's 150. We're looking for 300. I believe it was 150, right? So down here. Oh, so it's down here plus 20, 120. Looking for 240. We didn't get 240. We close it here at 175, whatever. But we're switching our trades here for sure. Risking okay, so this is the ultimate high, so we're risking, what's it called? Remember it was 40 and 40 and 40 and 40 and 40 and 80, so 100 and 140 from this point, because we're at 60 basically. So let's just say 65, so 105, 110, and plus another 40, 150. So we're looking for 300. What's the time too? I hope it's not past 1. Oh wait, oh, it's 12:15. We're fine. I don't like this volume. I don't like what's happening. I don't like the way it's trading right now. With this rejection and the volume it had, it should be dropping. Oof, it's not good. Yep, I just knew it's not good. That's not good. I mean, I saw the prior candle, but that volume, maybe I would have gotten out on this candle, or maybe even this doji and just let it be, because it should be dropping immediately with the volume we had and the fact that we're at the highs. So if it's not doing that, then I don't know what that is. Something like that. I like this volume right there. So if you had waited, if you had waited, you could have closed all your trades here when this volume came in, and then you take the same trade, risking the same thing. So this time around, you'll be risking 70 plus 40. So that's 110 and 150. Same thing, man. And even I didn't even get stopped out from this trade, because I was risking 110, which is up the way up there, and 150. Knock knock. Let me talk to you. This is a good base here, actually. This is a good base here, and it's nice rejection. 1250. Uh, and this was not bad volume to the upside, actually. Uh, give you one more candle. Oh my god. Oh, that's nice rejection though. Oh, nice. Oh, I know. This is like we're going down. I'm yelling timber. You better move. You better dance. So because of this candle, we should have waited. We see the volume, but this candle was not good. We should have waited. And then we see the volume here, but we're on the short side, and this is really good volume. So if we're taking it here, then it would have been 110. Now, if we had waited here, this next candle was pretty bearish, so we'll probably take the next candle, which will still be risking the same thing regardless. So it'll still be 110 from here, however. 110. But I would be expecting some kind of volume after this candle. So if this didn't work, this doji would have kept me in, and then this would have spooked me, but this would have brought me back to life, this candle there. So we're risking 110 to looking for 220. We get that 220 done there, and then we're looking for 240. Well, 220 and 150. We're looking for 300. We get 2 trades out at 300, and then we hold the remaining one for the end of day. Well, this black line is holding with lots of rejection, like heavy rejection. Nice. Should be expecting some pull downwards. There you go. Oh my god, that is not good. I don't like, but we expect this candle to fill to the downside. Expect this candle to fill to the downside, so let's see if it will fill. So you already feel to the downside, but it's rejecting. What's this 140? Just get us out. Just get us. We don't want to play anymore. Well, obviously break even, but it's just annoying. 145. There you go. This base held with a wick up there. Knock knock. Let me talk to you. This is 155. That'll be end of the trade, and we'll be making about 50% on this trade. Finally, that's do.
Let me talk to you. When we finna slide, what we finna do? Knock knock, who there? Yeah. Time to make a move. Slaying all them demons and we gotta move in twos. Knock knock, who there? Let me talk to you. Careful when you stepping out, cause you ain't bulletproof. Knock knock, who there? Time to make a move. Block is full of shooters and they didn't come to hold. Since we talking shooters, show 'em I got perfect aim. That's a green bean. Damn, I feel like Dame with this range. Yeah, they call me ice, so I'm the one to make them play. Go 2K on them, cause I got that badge on Hall of Fame. Brody active, he a menace. He gon' blitz him, he gon' end him. If he miss, he ain't finished.
So we won't be getting on this kind of ball in the next kind of because we'll probably be active. We'll see that there was no volume, but we'll be expecting volume coming very quickly on the next candle. But volume won't come in. We may hold that short. But if we had to wait up until this candle, one of those days where we'll be like, okay, we're probably not gonna enter that because there was no rejection in the prior candle too. Just like we shouldn't have entered this one because there was no rejection in the prior candle.
Slaying all them demons and we gotta move in twos. Who there? Let me talk to you. Careful when you stepping out, cause you ain't bulletproof. Knock knock.
Alright, so that's fine. That was that day.
Knock knock. Who there? Let me talk to you.
So that's so now price is still option or indecisive on the weekly, but we are still uptrend, but now bearish price action on the daily coming into the next day. Since we talking shooters, show 'em I got perfect aim. That's a green. Oh my god, guys, drop your head after all the way from here, bro. Oh my god. So all the way from here, risking 130. Woo! Wee! 10R.
If it's action, he gon' spin it till he busy or he broke. Had to go like nah, who there? I ain't got a clue there. Ops ain't running through there. They get shot for coming through here. You there? I hope you ain't new here. Ain't no coming through there from the jungle. It's a zoo there, like who there? Let me talk to you. when we finna slide, what we finna do? Knock, knock, who there? Time to make a move. Slaying all them demons and we gotta move in twos. Who there? Let me talk to you. Careful when you stepping out, cause you ain't bulletproof. Knock, knock, who there? Time to make a move.
Nice song, eh? Listen to it one more time and then we'll trade this shit. I like the song, so we're forced to listen to it. Boom!
Who there? Let me talk to you. When we finna slide, what we finna do? Knock, knock, who there? Time to make a move. Slaying all them demons and we gotta move in twos. Knock, knock, who there? Let me talk to you. Careful when you stepping out, cause you ain't bulletproof. Knock, knock, who there? Time to make a move. Block is full of shooters.
There's no place to add on the way up, no, on the
Since
way
we
down.
talking shooters, show 'em I got perfect aim. That's a green bean. Damn, I feel like Dame with this range. Yeah, they call me Ice, so I'm the one to make them play. Go 2K on them, cause I got that badge on Hall of Fame.
Brody active, he a menace. He gon' blitz him, he gon' end him. If he miss, he ain't finished. He keep shopping, he keep spinning. Let whoever come and try me what he hope. If it's action, he gon' spin it till he busy or he broke. At the door, like, nah, who there? I ain't got a clue there. Ops ain't running through there. They get shot for coming through here. You there? I hope you ain't new here. Ain't no coming through here. From the jungle, it's a zoo there. Like,
who there? Let me talk to you. When we finna slide, what we finna do? Knock, knock, who there? Time to make a move. Slaying all them demons and we gotta move in twos.
who there? Let me talk to you. Careful when you stepping out, cause you ain't bulletproof. Knock, knock, who there? Time to make a move. Block is full of shooters and they didn't come to who.
Let me talk to you. When we finna slide, what we finna do?
Knock, knock, who there?
Let me talk to you. When we finna slide, what we finna do?
Wait, go back. I wanna add this song to my playlist. Sorry, give me a second. I'm trying to add this song to my playlist. I couldn't find it. Add to playlist. Slow baby. Alright, that's it.
Knock, knock.
Let me talk to you. Alright, so we got, we obviously have this drop. If this thing comes here, dead. Comes here, destroyed. Bro, this thing has so much drop potential. It's disgusting. The only low we have to risk off of is here for our long. Now, we know we are uptrending and we know it was a bearish day. So, first of all, we need to see where price wants to go. Let's see what volume comes in. First candle. Oh my god. Oh, I thought it was rejection. Let's see price coming here. We can take some shorts off of this high here. This high here and maybe a little higher over this base here. So there's this low only. This low will not take that low. Nice. That's rejection. Rejection. Alright, with that rejection, I like it. I said that. I can like that. We'll take a risking 50 plus 40 is 90. We'll just risk above this high 110 and then take another. Because there was a drop base drop, right? So, and it's rejecting that. Yeah, we gotta take it. You know, we have to take it. If we don't take it, what are we gonna do? You know, cause the day is really bearish. So, but volume is not strong to the upside yet. So we'll just take it, risking this high first, and then risking this high. Maybe just risk up here 180. We'll just risk the highest point there to 190 or 200, whatever. Not. Let me talk to you. The volume came to the short side. It's holding in short. Oh my god! I think we got stopped out on. Nice. We got stopped out on the one that was 2 on the 10%. So we just lost 10%, and that's actually, I like it because now I can go in short higher I like this candle, so I'll take that trade, risking up there. So 135, 140, and we have a 15% risking here. So we get stopped out on the 15%, but we still hold the 140. Oh my god, we're getting destroyed. Oh my god, we just lost like 25 plus another 15%. No, plus another 10%. So 25 plus 10%. That's a heavy loss. Heavy loss right there. Knock knock. Who there? Let me talk to you. That's a very heavy loss right there. Oh, we did one price to come in here, but there was this base here. There wasn't a lot of wicks though. Actually, there wasn't a lot of wicks on this base. Coming in here. There should be wicks on the base, ideally. So, fair enough. So you could say drop base here, drop. So he already broke this, and then this kind of just destroyed everybody. Let me talk to you. Not who that. Let me talk to you. I mean, to be fair, this candle wasn't the best to add really. Interesting. Quite the volume going up, I'd say, but quite the rejection right here. Quite the rejection, if I do say so myself. But we need the volume to come to the short side. This is unacceptable. We already broke above this black line, so we need price to come this way to these highs here for us to take a short. This is unacceptable. We see that there is volume to the downside first. Okay. Okie dokie. So if we took this short, we'll lose 25% for sure. No, who there? Let me talk to you. Like, it was quite the opportunities to take the short, that's for sure. That's for Shizuma Dizu. Interesting. Interesting. Price coming in, rejecting from. It did go up quite a bit from this low here. But why is this not even? Give me a second. So 8, 10, 15 minutes. Why is this not? Yeah, there should be. That was the problem right there. There is a black line right here. Come on. Why is there no black line there? Now you see, things turn around. The moment the black line comes in, everything makes more sense. Oh my god. Sure would have been nice to go in long right there. Long right there, risking 200. Risking, this low. 20 under that low, that'll be 130. And then risking 20 under this low, so 180 or 190. So 130 looking for 260, you get a 260. And then 190 looking for 370. So volume hasn't come to the short side yet. Let's keep holding. It's not volume to the short side. Oh, that is volume to the short side. But yeah, so that's volume to the short side. That's good, but we need second candle to confirm the movement. You get what I'm saying? To confirm the movement, because that's the first time. Not the first time. This one was okay volume to the short side, but the second candle broke above the high, so there's that. So we need another show of volume to the downside. Was I saying upside the whole time? My bad. This is good volume. I like this type candles. This type that has barely any wick to the downside and just pure gross rejection on the upside. Those type candles, yum, yum, yum. So let's see. Another rejection. Has price come to this low here? It basically has. So let's see. Maybe we can take straight here, risking above this line here. So take 200. Let's see volume come. It's fine. Okay, so that's good volume there. We'll close all our trades here. Obviously, would have already closed the first one, so close the remaining 30% there. Oh, we already got 3. Oh, wait, whatever. We're taking short here because price already has those rejections, so we're going short there. First trade will risk above this one, so 40. So that's 130, and then plus another 40, 170. We'll just risk that high there. Ideally, but it's way over 200. So let's yeah, we'll just hold that. Yeah, Audrey. Knock knock. Who there? Let me talk to you. Try make a move. Like, I'm not really afraid of it. Oh, do we get stopped out? I don't think we got stopped out on any of them. Oh shit, 130? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Ugh, disgusting. But I did like this cans. Maybe I should just go in on this one instead. This one right there. Second one. Well, honestly, I'm trying to start to wait till the volume actually comes in to the short side before getting in. So just like today, I mean, unless it is this type of trades, like this type of trades, I like them just getting, like when you're taking off of the base, I like to just get in. But maybe even those I should wait for volume to come. Like in this case here, no, there was none here. In this case here, no, there was none here. Here, no, there's none here. Here, no, none here. Here, there was some here. There was some here. So in this case here, volume did come in at this point. But yeah, that was it. This candle right here wasn't the best, but it was okay. It was okay. So we had this rejection, and then we had volume following it. So but I don't think we would have been going short on that day because everything was uptrending. So and yeah. So let's see something here. I want to see where it retested base here. Volume came in on this candle. But we got it on this candle. Not there. Let me talk to you. Yeah, I think for the bases we'll just stick to the rejections. But for no base where it's just if price is at or very close to the line, like let's say it was this day, price pushed up, nice, that type of rejection that I like, and it was the line was literally like right here or something. So and it closed below the black line. It was actually very good. Just took that trade real quick. Versus this one, price close above the line here. So that's that side. But for where is it? For this one, this is where price could reject from at any point, right? So then we had this nice volume right there. If anything, I don't mind getting in on that one candle. That one candle is the only candle that matters. But if you are going to be all safe, then you want to wait for this volume to come in. Not only do you want to wait for this volume to come in, you want to wait for the candle after the volume to show continuation to the short side. In this case here, there was no continuation to the short side. It broke the high of that prior candle. It shouldn't be breaking the high if it's going to continue to the downside. And if it does break the high, then you want to wait for the next candle to give you some that shows continuation to the downside. If it does break the high and it still looks good to the short side. So in this case, honestly, it would have been best here if we wanted to really get in, because we know that price could reject at any point in this, right? At any point in this drop, price can reject. Price can start going down. So we could have taken that at that high where we actually liked, and then risk above there first, 170 for the 10% likely, and then risk 200 for the other. Knock. Who there? Yeah, we'll just do that. 170 and 200. It's a little much, but let's see if coming down we can get something. 300, 400. If we drop back all the way down, we should be able to get 400. But price will likely hold this base here because it did pop up from here. So there could be a black line right here. The price could likely hold. So let's keep watching. Hopefully we don't get stopped at 25% loss. On the way down, it's not strong on the way down. It's not pushing down the way we want to. So, and it's actually pushed up quite nicely. That was quite the momentum. Let's see what it wants to do. Now that is momentum we want to see. That is momentum. Let's see how price behaves on this area here. That's okay, rejection. Oh, I was about to celebrate, but that's an ugly close. That's nice. And this is a nice base too, eh? Knock. Who there? Let me talk to you. We're looking for 340. We're not even anywhere close. Well, taking all the profits around down there. But this is a very nice base. That was very weak rejection, but this volume is good. And not only that, we went back below this black line, so that's good too. But this base, we'll give you one more candle. Knock. Who there? Let me talk to you. I gotta. So if we take this trade, where's our risk? Our risk is all the way down there to there. Yeah, no. Nope. We'll hold the short. Price comes in here and shows rejection, then sure. There you go. Give me another candle with rejection. Oh my god. Ah, disgusting. Ew. Alright, so actually very, very good. We've definitely taken TP at the 340 and we're holding for the 400, but it's very good drop. We have a base here we can use. It's actually rejecting nicely. I don't like I really like this candle rejection, but it's just these lows that I don't know if I want to, because yeah, I'll just hold it short. That's actually looking really good. $730 is right here. We didn't quite break. Oh, we broke the low. I'm holding the short. What am I doing? We broke the low of 730. Why would I want? I almost had a heart attack on that. Oh, why would I want to close my remaining three? I'll close the two. Did we get 400 from here? We didn't quite get 400. Very close though. I'll still hold it. I know price may bounce up to this base here. That's fine. Knock. Who there? Let me talk to you. Come to the base there. And there's no much bearish rejection though. Not much at all. Looks like it wants to break through. Oh, no. When it came there, got the high that it needs to break. Rejection. We add another 25% risk here. So on this candle, that top candle there, we're going in, risking. So 60, give me 90 right there for the 10%, and then we'll risk here for the other one, 190, about 100 above. Oh, nice. Very nice volume there. Yeah, we know price bounce from here already. And that thing someone could say is, oh, why didn't we just switch long here and then take the shorts again here? We could have done that, but what if price continued to the downside, given that you already broke current day's low? I mean, we broke it here, and then this candle was what really. So then we could have gone in long here, risking this low and this low, 20 under this low, and 20 under this low. But yeah, that would have been an okay. So going in long here, calm down, right there. So we'll be risking 20 under this low. Oh, 80 plus 20, that's 100. Risking 100 there, and then risking 160 here. So the reason why we went in risking, so obviously we have to risk above this wick, so risk just right there, right above the line too. So that's 90, and then want to risk this higher again. So 160 and 90 is not bad, or maybe 170 and 90 not bad. So looking for 340 and 180. 90. We actually already got the 180 here. Yep, already got the 180. But yeah, if we took this here, risking the 100, we didn't get 200, but we closed everything here at 170 because price on a downtrend, and this has a high. The point is it has a high is what makes the base stronger. This thing have a low is why I did not like the base. Because if I was going to take a trade here, I'd have to risk all the way there. If he had a low and he rejected like that, it would have been a better base. But price didn't break lower, so price just continued. So that's not a very good base. This price broke above this candle, the blue candle. So that's good. That's a good base. But yeah, so that would have been shorts there. And then we're holding the 160, looking for 320. But we're not necessarily looking for 320, or 170 looking for 340. We're waiting for price to break, and we'll definitely take some profits off of down there. But right now the time is 1 o'clock, 1:05. Price is consolidating, so that could mean price may want to keep bouncing, just like today, just like what happened today. See? Not hold there. Let me talk to you. Honestly, I'm thinking like when it's 1 o'clock and price is around, when price approaching this type of lows and it's 1 o'clock and it bounces like that, if it bounces like that, obviously we're break even, but on the next pullback down, and any rejection we see on the next pullback down, we'll just get out. So this candle will hold, get the hell out, because I've seen this way too much now for me to still be holding this kind of bounces. I expect it too. So today we're in short here. We know 1 o'clock happened here. No rejection. There was rejection, but then this was the bounce, right? So on this bounce, we had this bounce here, and then rejection, no rejection, rejection here, no rejection here, rejection here on this. We just get out there. The deeper we can get, the better for us. So we just get all our things there. Which is around where we close our trade today anyways. But yeah, that's what we'll do, because we can get some very annoying pushes like this at the end of the day. I don't know what the day is trying to save. I really don't know, but it does get some annoying pushes. Look at that nonsense. Disgusting. No, let me talk to you. Gotta make a move. So we'll do Friday, and then we'll do another week likely, and that will be it for the back testing. So let's try and make it very. I'm going to try to talk. Let's do Friday, and then we'll take a break by playing chess, and then we'll do 1 week, 1 full week of straight, no bullshit. You know what I'm saying? No changing or nothing, just straight trading, just trading. You know, straight trading. Knock knock. Who there? Let me talk to you. Alright, so that's about all the trading. We won't be getting close this one. Say not bad at all, not bad at all. This when you got in long because of this candle here and the rejections as it pulled back. Alright, let us now go to Friday. Let's go to the daily first. So we are still on an uptrend and bullish rejection. So this is more of a bullish candle than a bearish candle for me, at least. I'll say bullish price action and still on an uptrend. Let's go to the 50, let's go to 1 hour, get the next day real quick. Stop. Alright, that's 4 a.m. 1, 2, that's 6 a.m. Let's go to the 15 real quick. Let's delete these lines because we're not using them right now. Knock knock. Put this here. It's a very nice black line. Put it here if you want. We gotta put it here. And for the lows, well, we got this low. We got this low at the black lines there. We got this low right there. Could use these wicks, but let's see where price is at. Oh, and obviously we have this black line here. That's it. 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh shit, that's 7. Oh, it's 7:25. Oh, interesting. Okay, so we know everything's on an uptrend. So we have uptrend bullish. Oh, but weekly is indecisive, so we have to be aware of the bearish momentum that comes in. But today we're likely to take long. We're likely to be more aggressive on the long side up until momentum comes into the short side. So first candle, give me something good. Rejection. I love the rejection. I'm not going to use this low, obviously. We're going to use this low under that. So getting in there, risking this low here. So 90 plus under 20, so that's 110. 110. Or just say 120. And then we'll just risk under this low here, 200 for the other one. Alright, let's go. Knock knock. Who there? Let me talk to you. If that's not annoying, I don't know what is. But it's coming down with nice so 120 we got stopped out, or 130, whatever. And we've come down to this line is gone. We've come down to this area here. There is no black line here, but it's a very obvious low. We like this candle, but would prefer. No, that candle is actually not bad though. It's actually not bad. No, it's different from that one that we took the other day. It was on this day, right? We got stopped out, forced out. We took we got stopped out. It was one of these days. No, it's not too far back now. I remember there was a candle that I saw and I was like, oh, we could have taken it there, re-added in. We got stopped out and then we could have re-added in there. Was it just yesterday or just the day before this one? No, we didn't get stopped out on this, so maybe it's further down. No, it's not. Oh, look at, so this is the type of candle we have right now. Yeah, I'll take the trade. So we've lost 10%. We're just going to add that 10% again. This time around, we're going to be risking a little lower than our 200. So our 200 is here. We're going to be risking maybe 100 right there. So this plus 40 is 100. Yeah, so it's 100 right there. Knock, who there? Let me talk to you. Because price is bullish going up, going down still. I understand that it's coming down, but it's still bullish. It's not really bearish like that. So 100, looking for 200. We already lost 10%. This base is not the best base, but yeah, it's definitely not the best base, but it may hold. It may hold, but we'll still hold our trade. Knock, who there? Let me talk to you. So we're in here. Price is holding this base annoyingly. 100, looking for 200. 200 is up here. We're still in this 15% here. Kind of annoyingly. Don't know if we should get out break even on that 15%. When price goes against us and we're able to get in on a higher entry, on a higher entry, so in this case here, should we just stop out on the prior entry that was at a loss? I think that's not a bad idea, eh? Because now if we had stopped out on this entry here, I think that should be what we do. So we stop out on this entry here, and the only entry we now have is this, which would have now lost because, oh, obviously when momentum came in, after stopping out breaking on the other one, momentum then comes in to the downside here. Damn, this thing really just went to the black line, but it didn't give us any opportunity to get in short though. Momentum came in here to the short side, continuation of momentum. This base is kind of holding, but I don't really like this base like that. This was definitely the momentum that was like, okay, maybe we should get out of all these trades. And if you didn't get out there, you had good opportunities to get out on this candle or on this candle. So I probably will break even on this trade. I'd have probably only lost 10% so far. And then price pulls to this black line. Let's see how price behaves on this black line. Yeah, I would have gone stopped out if we didn't get out. That's a nice candle there, but price is downtrending right now heavily, and there's a base up here. So let's see. Okay, that's a nice rejection. It's a nice rejection. I like that rejection. So since we're breaking even on this trade, whatever. I'm just getting long in there, risking the lows. So risking first because price is really dropping anyhow. So there's a low here, but we'll just risk this 100, and then we'll risk 150 on our next trade. So 100 and 150. So this low and 150. So that's our trade right now. Not who there. And then we want to see how price behaves there. Let me talk to you. Price is just steadily dropping. Nice. Black lines, baby. The black lines. Ooh. There's no volume to the downside yet. Oh, there you go. Oh, that's heavy. Oh, that's heavy volume. Oh, that's heavy volume. Oh my god. Probably want to cutting out of all your trades there, honestly, because that volume is heavy, yo. Rejections. Not trying to break this. It's not trying to close above this. Rejections. Bunch of rejections. And we're on a downtrend too, so. But this volume was really nice to the upside. There was no continuation. Knock. Who there? Yep. That volume was on top of the fact that we're on a downtrend. Watch out for the volume, man. Watch out for the volume. have definitely been nice to get in. Short right here, risking 110 and 200. That have been the risk. 110, about 220 right there. Get that to switch this trade to 110, 200. Get that 220 right there. And then looking for 400. It's broken below the black lines, broken below all the lows. We're just expecting price to drop like a rock, but who knows? Price may bounce from here because volume is, you can see volume is reducing as price going down. But let's see what he wants to do. Oh shit, it's holding. Oh shit, do we get the 400 right there? Oh nice, take out 2, hold the remaining 1. Last week's low? No. Hello, plus. Oh no. Oh no, but there's way too much momentum to the downside though. But this last week's low though. It's last week's low though. I think we gotta close all our trades there. After that second candle right there. Maybe probably getting long. Taking price up there, but only. So this is a low. Wanna risk 40 under. So that's 140. On this case we risk 150 and 200. I think that's what we'll do, 150 and 200. So on that 150 we want to get 300 up there. Oof. Let's see how price does it. Does it close under the low? The move up is not the best. Oof, that's okay. Okay, we don't like that balloon. We get out. Get it out. Get out because okay, we wait for one continuation because move up is not. No. Move up is not the strongest, but we'll wait for. Yeah, it's fine to wait for a continuation there. Volumes like this are. There's a tiny rejection on this one. Why? I'm like, sure, we'll wait for that continuation. Knock. The price has come to this base here. You want to see price hold up, like not show much rejection. It's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Oh, price wants to break. Okay. Oh. With this volume, we can hold one more candle. That's iffy. Okay, we hold. Knock. Who there? Let me talk to you. So we see how price behaves. It will tell you if you want to break if you want to break. I guess we have just done the 40 and 40. So, well, we did 150 and 200 regardless, whatever. So looking for that 300 there. So 150 getting that 300 here. These are not base. Watching how price behaves, and there's a black line there too. So this may be the best time to get the hell out of your trade, but we'll just hold as men of valor. Men of valor. Oh my god. Nope. What's the time? 140. Out completely. You guys no, not out. Out 3 out of our 4 positions. Holding the remaining 2. Oh, we're out everything here. Last week low really held for us. Knock. That's why I was confident saying that I would take the trade. This is last month high. Come on, take it any day as long as it shows momentum and it shows strength from those points. You want to take the trade. Knock. Who there? Let me talk to you. Let's play some chess to chill out because my head is having a headache. telling you, man. I am now a complete trader. Okay, I am 95% complete. I just need to be more confident. Is the word confident? No. I'd say be more consistent. Yeah. Because some trades I take, I need to know. I need to risk like I need to take some trades and just take the trades, you know, basically. Knock, knock. Hold there. Let me talk to you. All right, so let us play some chess. All right. I guess this guy doesn't want to play.
Knock, knock, who there? Let me talk to you. When we finna slide, what we finna do? Knock, knock, who there? Time to make a move. Slaying all them demons and we gotta move in twos.
Knock, knock, who there? Let me talk to you. Careful when you stepping out, cause you ain't bulletproof. Knock, knock, who there? Time to make a move. Block is full of shooters and they didn't come to hold.
Since we talking shooters, show 'em I got perfect aim. That's a green bean. Damn, I feel like Dame with this range. Yeah, they call me Ice, so I'm the one to make them play. Go 2K on them, cause I got that badge on Hall of Fame.
Brody active, he a menace. He gon' blitz him, he gon' end him. If he miss, he ain't finished. He keep shopping, he keep spinning. Let whoever come and try me what he hope. If it's action, he gon' spin until he busy or he broke. At the door, like, nah, who there? I ain't got a clue there. Ops ain't running through there. They get shot for coming through here. You there? I hope you ain't new here. Ain't no coming through here from the jungle. It's a zoo there, like.
Who there? Let me talk to you. When we finna slide, what we finna do? Knock, knock, who there? Time to make a move. Slaying all them demons and we gotta move in twos.
Who there? Let me talk to you. Careful when you stepping out, cause you ain't bulletproof. Knock, knock, who there? Time to make a move. Block is full of shooters and they didn't come to hold.
Bruh.
Let me talk to you. When we finna slide, what we finna
I need to see the night. I'm a little slow right now.
Let me talk to you. When we finna slide, what we finna do?
They all in my lane, but we not the same. I've been on a high road. I'm living on 10, I did it again. They don't know what I know. All of my soldiers, they've been riding with me. Came from the bottom, we made us a milli. Hop on the plane, wherever I land, I'm switching my time zone. I don't got a label, I've been independent. They not at my table, not touching my bread. And I did everything that I said I
Calm
would.
down. I just want to listen to this song, please. I don't want to get flagged again.
Knock, knock,
Fuck
who there?
me.
Let me talk
I'm
to
playing
you.
like ass.
Finna slide. What we finna
He's
do?
also playing like ass. What is wrong with people, man?
Slaying all them demons.
Yo, why didn't you take the knight?
Knock, knock, who there? Let me talk to you.
Oh yeah, pissed at your opponent for not doing the right thing.
You ain't bulletproof. Knock, knock, who there? Time to make a move. Block is full of shooters and they didn't come to who.
Since we talking shooter, show 'em I got perfect aim. That's a green bean. Damn, I feel like Dame with this range. Yeah, they call me ice, so I'm the one to make them play. Go 2K on them, cause I got that badge on Hall of Fame.
Brody active, he a menace. He gon' blitz him, he gon' end him. If he miss, he ain't finished. He keeps shopping, he keeps spinning. Let whoever come and try me what he hope. If it's action, he gon' spin it till he dizzy or he broke. At the door, like, nah, who there? I ain't got a clue there. Ops ain't running through there, they get shot for coming through here. You there? I hope you ain't new here. Ain't no coming through here from the jungle, it's a zoo there, like.
Who there? Let me talk to you. When we finna slide, what we finna do? Knock, knock, who there? Time to make a move. Slaying all them demons and we gotta move in twos.
Who there? Let me talk to you. Careful when you stepping out, cause you ain't bulletproof. Knock, knock, who there? Time to make a move. Block is full of shooters and they didn't come to who.
Let me talk to you. When we finna slide, what we finna do?
Knock, knock, who there?
Let me talk to you. When we finna slide, what we finna do? Knock, knock, who there? Let me talk to you. When we finna slide, what we finna do? Knock, knock, who there? Time to make a move. Slaying all them demons and we gotta move in twos.
Knock, knock, who there? Let me talk to you. Careful when you stepping out, cause you ain't bulletproof. Knock, knock, who there? Time to make a move. Block is full of shooters and they didn't come to who.
Since we talking shooter, show 'em I got perfect aim. That's a green bean. Damn, I feel like Dame with this range. Yeah, they call me ice, so I'm the one to make them play. Go 2K on them, cause I got that badge on Hall of Fame.
Brody active, he a menace. He gon' blitz him, he gon' end him. If he miss, he ain't finished. He keeps shopping, he keeps spinning. Let whoever come and try me what he hope. If it's action, he gon' spin it till he dizzy or he broke. At the door, like, nah, who there? I ain't got a clue there. Ops ain't running through there, they get shot for coming through here. You there? I hope you ain't new here. Ain't no coming through here from the jungle, it's a zoo there, like.
Who there? Let me talk to you. When we finna slide, what we finna do? Knock, knock, who there? Time to make a move. Slaying all them demons and we gotta move in twos.
Who there? Let me talk to you. Careful when you stepping out, cause you ain't bulletproof. Knock, knock, who there? Time to make a move. Block is full of shooters and they didn't come to who.
Let me talk to you. When we finna slide, what we finna do?
Knock, knock, who there?
Let me talk to you. When we finna slide, what we finna do? Knock, knock, who there? Let me talk to you. When we finna slide, what we finna do? Knock, knock, who there?
Let me get some mango juice.
Slaying all them demons and we gotta move in twos.
Knock, knock, who there? Let me talk to you. Careful when you stepping out, cause you ain't bulletproof. Knock, knock, who there? Time to make a move. Block is full of shooters and they didn't come to who.
Since we talking shooter, show 'em I got perfect aim. That's a green bean. Damn, I feel like Dame with this range. Yeah, they call me ice, so I'm the one to make them play. Go 2K on them, cause I got that badge on Hall of Fame.
Brody active, he a menace. He gon' blitz him, he gon' end him. If he miss, he ain't finished. He keeps shopping, he keeps spinning. Let whoever come and try me what he hope. If it's action, he gon' spin it till he dizzy or he broke. At the door, like, nah, who there? I ain't got a clue there. Ops ain't running through there, they get shot for coming through here.
Why would you do that?
I hope you ain't new here. Ain't no coming through here from the jungle, it's a zoo there, like.
Who there? Let me talk to you. When we finna slide, what we finna do? Knock, knock, who there? Time to make a move. Slaying all them demons and we gotta move in twos.
Who there? Let me talk to you. Careful when you stepping out, cause you ain't bulletproof. Knock, knock, who there? Time to make a move. Block is full of shooters and they didn't come to who.
Let me Knock, knock, who there? Let me talk to you. When we finna slide, what we finna do? Knock, knock, who there? Time to make a move. Slaying all them demons and we gotta move in twos.
Knock, knock, who there? Let me talk to you. Careful when you stepping out, cause you ain't bulletproof. Knock, knock, who there? Time to make a move. Block is full of shooters and they didn't come to hold.
Since we talking shooter, show 'em I got perfect aim. That's a green bean. Damn, I feel like Dame with this range. Yeah, they call me Ice, so I'm the one to make them play. Go 2K on him, cause I got that badge on Hall of Fame.
Brody active, he a menace. He gon' blitz him, he gon' end him. If he miss, he ain't finished. He keeps shopping, he keeps spinning. Let whoever come and try me what he hope. If it's action, he gon' spin it till he dizzy or he broke. At the door, like, nah, who there? I ain't got a clue there. Ops ain't running through there. They get shot for coming through here. You there? I hope you ain't new here. Ain't no coming through there. From the jungle, it's a zoo there. Like,
who there? Let me talk to you. When we finna slide, what we finna do? Knock, knock, who there? Time to make a move. Slaying all them demons and we gotta move in twos.
who there? Let me talk to you. Careful when you stepping out, cause you ain't bulletproof. Knock, knock, who there? Time to make a move. Block is full of shooters and they didn't come to hold.
Let me talk to you. When we finna slide, what we finna do?
Knock, knock, who there?
Let me talk to you. When we finna slide, what we finna do? Knock, knock, who there? Let me talk to you. When we finna slide, what we finna do? Knock, knock, who there? Time to make a move. Slaying all them demons and we gotta move in twos.
Knock, knock, who there? Let me talk to you. Careful when you stepping out, cause you ain't bulletproof. Knock, knock, who there? Time to make a move. Block is full of shooters and they didn't come to hold.
Since we talking shooter, show 'em I got perfect aim. That's a green bean. Damn, I feel like Dame with this range. Yeah, they call me Ice, so I'm the one to make them play. Go 2K on him, cause I got that badge on Hall of Fame.
Brody active, he a menace. He gon' blitz him, he gon' end him. If he miss, he ain't finished. He keeps shopping, he keeps spinning. Let whoever come and try me what he hope. If it's action, he gon' spin it till he dizzy or he broke. At the door, like, nah, who there? I ain't got a clue there. Ops ain't running through there. They get shot for coming through here. You there? I hope you ain't new here. Ain't no coming through here. From the jungle, it's a zoo there. Like,
who there? Let me talk to you. When we finna slide, what we finna do? Knock, knock, who there? Time to make a move. Slaying all them demons and we gotta move in twos.
who there? Let me talk to you. Careful when you stepping out, cause you ain't bulletproof. Knock, knock, who there? Time to make a move. Block is full of shooters and they didn't come to hold.
I've been talking to myself. All right. So what I was saying is, well, we are weekly downtrend and bearish. Daily we're at a downtrend, and but there was a lot of rejection on the bottom side. If you saw the candles, you can go back and see the daily candles when I put it. There was a lot of rejection on the bottom side. I don't want to go back now because it will tell us what happened today. So that's the bias right now. And then like this mango juice always makes me burpy. Anyhow. Then so we were like, okay, so since it's pretty there's a lot of rejection from the downside, but last week was very bearish, so we're not afraid to take our shorts. But right now we're at the last month low. We want to see momentum to the upside. Momentum to the upside from the low if it's going to hold. So right now this is the first momentum we're seeing. So let's see if that holds. That's holding quite well actually. So given that that's closing and holding quite well, let's give it one more candle. Yeah, we gotta take that, and it's at the month low. We gotta take that. Oh, but this candle is the type that will. Oh, this candle is the type that will fail. It'll fail. It'll fail the bottom. See. Good thing we remember the type of candle it was. So should we have gone in short there? Or what if it did a nice? Yeah, there was no need to go in short here, but it looked like it went. Anyhow, momentum has not coming to the short side. I like that. This is good rejection at the bottom though. So let's see something pull up to this monthly high again, monthly low again. It's not very good. We may not get an entry here. Oh my god. Yeah, there was no entry. Maybe this one, but that's about it. The week is bearish, right? So, oh, sorry, we got pull up to there's a base that formed here with this week here. So you could take a trade down there. It's not a bad idea, but nah. So this low formed is holding.
Ah.
Oh, Jeff is back. What is up? You're reading volume price analysis book. I mean, do you, man? I read some books, but I'd say to learn price action and to understand price action, you probably just wanna what did I do to really understand, to really learn price action? Because the books out there don't teach it. The books out there don't really teach it. They teach you technical analysis. Some even give you indicators. Mostly the books are about psychology. So psychology is what you really get. I don't know. I'll say first, you want to understand what rejections are. You want to understand what, like when price is rejecting support or resistance, you want to understand that. And now this volume itself, for me, I'll say volume is specific to the SPY. I know volume is everywhere in all the different currency pairs, but I'll say not the SPY, to the stock market. Volume is more specific to the stock market solely because the US market is the largest market. I think, in my opinion, I'm not sure. I don't know if that's a fact, but I think it's the largest market, and it's the most traded, the US dollar. So there's a lot of volume with the US. So the stock market, the US stock market has tremendous volume being traded in it. So, and not only that, all that volume is mostly traded at a specific time. It's the time factor for the US market that really makes volume strong with the US market. That's why I am focused only on the SPY, because as you can see, I'm only trading just this time frame between this 7:30 when market, or 9:30 Eastern, to 2:30 to 4 p.m. Eastern when market closes. That's all I'm trading, because that is exactly when the volume is. And even within those times, there's lunch break where there's less volume, but then there's once lunch people come back, that's 2 p.m. A lot of volume comes in at 2 p.m. again. You can see between 2 p.m. and 4 p.m. Eastern, there's a lot of volume that comes in at different intervals within that time. Like, because of that window that price has to make a move or do something within a specific window. So it's like a crunched volume in that specific window. That's what makes trading the SPY, day trading the SPY, profitable, at least to me. So I'd say just understand that if you want to day trade, you want to just trade the SPY or the stock market in general, not Forex, not like the currency exchanges, not the futures, like not cotton, not wheat, not I've traded those too, not cotton, not wheat, not corn, no, not soybeans. You don't want to trade soybeans. There's no volume in soybeans. But there's volume in the stock market, and at this specific time. Forget about swing trading. You can swing trade on the day. Just day trade at this specific time and you'll really be good. And that's why you can get away with just using prior days analysis to continue the next day. Like, it's such a beautiful market. It's crazy. People don't understand why it works so well in the SPY. It's because of the crunch time. That is exactly why it works so well. That crunch time. Everybody's trading then. Everybody. So that's why it works. So once you understand that, there's that. And then you just want to, for price, you just want to learn, what type of candles do you want to watch for at, let's say while approaching what's it called, base. If you see a candle like this, well, it's more bearish, right? And then what type of rejection? The rejection is relative to the body of the candle. That I don't know how to teach, but anyhow, like I said, I didn't find any books that taught price action that well. I learned price action off of live trading and demo testing, just like this. So these my videos, bruh. This will really teach price action for sure. And then as of rejections, I actually learned that from Nick Sean. I learned that after 2 years of trading. I did not really know. Like, I could see when price in this kind of forms, at certain points it's nice stuff, like I could see that, but I didn't really fully understand what it was. And it was Nick Sean, literally just like a couple of months ago. I watched a couple of his videos and I saw, okay, this is what rejection, quote unquote rejection, is. So I started to watch for that. Like, I knew what it can look like to an extent from day trading the 2 years. So I just needed that click, and that was it. So as for today, we have this trade here. We have this trade here. We have this happening here. Price is dropping. Yeah, there was no need for us to go short here. If we had gone short, it's like 150, 200. Price, oh, nice. There was no volume here. There's been no trade today. The only feasible trade was this one, and that was risking up here. But maybe I could have taken that trade, risking 10%. Nah. The only feasible trade was this one, that was risking up there, but it could have easily bounced off of the monthly low. So that was a risky trade, very risky trade. And then so now this bounced here. This is good low here. And then when it came to the low, it started rejecting. rejected here, tried to break but rejected. Actually not a bad idea to have gone in long there, given that price has been rejecting the lows on the daily every time it goes lower. So today now it's done it's broken the yesterday's low and it's gone lower. We thought this would be the rejection, but it's gone lower again. So price has been rejecting the lows. Put that in mind, right? That price has been rejecting the lows for 2 days straight. So it could reject this low, so you could have taken a trade here. But let's say we just came up with that just now, and let's not take that trade. If we took that trade, that would be risking something like this. So 60 plus 40, 100 and 150, and then we're looking for 200 at the very minimum. But now price is going to come to this base. So let's see how price behaves. Plus there's this rejection here. This candle is pretty bullish. I don't want to take a short off of that candle. And there you go, price breaks. So on this candle, yeah, that's not a low yet. This price formed a low. Price has been rejecting low. It's rejected here, so it could reject, and because it could reject and continue up, or it could break, but it showed that I wanted to reject, so that was nice. And there was no real short. There's no real short entry here. And maybe this one risking up there, but it wasn't clear. So and it was just the one candle, so that would be a no. But this one was not bad at all. So 100 and 200, you'd have definitely gotten your 200. Now you're watching how price is behaving here. So that's the first rejection, and that is actually good momentum rejection right there. Given what did today's one look like? Today's one was more full. See, that was solid rejection there. This one has a little bit of, so wait one more. So we're waiting, still waiting. Okay, that was good rejection there. Plus this candle, let's give you another candle. So I didn't like this candle short, so we'll just wait. Okay, now that will take. So switch everything to shorts right there. Switch everything to short. This we're gonna hold this trade. So we have 80. We're gonna risk 100. Technically, ideally want to risk above this whole base. Well, 100 on the first one, right? 100 on the first one, and then risk. I will just risk 120 on the first one, and then risk 175 on the second one. Knock. Who there? Let me talk to you. Price is coming down. Lots of rejection. Don't like that. So if this is a nice move. If price comes back up here, or if price shows some kind of strength, we may be looking to run away. To be honest, that is too good. That's too good. But given that's the candle, we may get a feel of that candle. Oh, that's too good. No, yeah, no. Too good. No. We don't want to go in long here, but let's put our stuff as break even. We don't want to go in long because we want a black candle. That was nice volume. They did break this. They broke this, so it's not continuation. Wait, not cool there. No, that volume was really good. Like really, this is the type of volume you can go on one candle and take it. Actually, no, you want continuation still, but like this volume depends on where it is. Though it depends on where it is. Like it was on the highs and you got volume like that. You probably want to hold that short. There you go. So we finally got a move down here, but it broke this low and it came in with volume. But we had this nice run here, and then we had this run here. Still rejecting. Yeah, I'll be forced to take this trade here. We close our short break even there. We're forced to take this trade here. Now we'll be risking So this low, so this is ultimate, so 40 plus this low, 120 and 160 is the risk. Price, it already broke through this high. What we've seen is it broke, came back. So if we see volume, probably want to close all our longs right there. Nice. Let's go. All right, so we have 130. Give her 260. Profit acquired. Acquisition is me. Wait, was it? No, 120. Look at Looking for 240. Laughing Spanish. Alright. Okay, that's not good. We know price rejected from these highs here. That's not a very good candle right there, but we'll hold because price is bullish right now. So we still hold. That's not the best. Oh, nice. Yo, what is this? Yo, I am now a complete trader. Understand that.
Huh.
Alright, Jeff, I appreciate you, man. Go sleep, bro. You work, so you're definitely tired. You know, go have a good night's rest. We'll see you tomorrow, maybe. I'll definitely be trading, but you know, if you make it, we'll see you tomorrow and we'll trade. You see my complete trading as a complete trader. Good night, man. Knock, knock. Who there? Let me talk to you. So on that 160 we had, right? We had 120 and 160, yeah. So 160, looking for 320. So we only have one trade now, basically. Oh my god. Oh my god. We're going to last week's low? Yeah, there's a base here. Yup. Price has come to the base and is rejecting. But we have a base here. We're more bullish now. There's no way we should be. There's no reason we should be going short right now. Oh, it's end of day? Oh, we closed everything right here then. Oh my god, what a beautiful trade! Let me talk to you. Come on. Let me talk to you. Such a beautiful trade, man. Alright, let's see what the day looks like. And the reason why we did that, because the days have been having rejections at the price action. Come on. It had rejection at the bottom here, rejection at the bottom here. It's bullish. I call those bullish. So we're still bullish with rejection at the bottom, and well, we're still on a downtrend. So 4, 5, 6. It's Tuesday. Knock. Let me talk to you. Got lows here. We got a black line here. We got a black line here. Actually, it's from the prior day, so. Price is trading between last week low and last month low. But yeah. Put it here, I guess. Not really. Nah. But we know that price may want to drop. There's no real drop. There's no more real drop. There was this one, but price has already dropped there. There's no more real drop. So we'll just wait for momentum to come if we're going to go in short or whatever. But right now, at last week's low, so let's say our price 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Price above last week's low. We have the low here we can use. We have a low here. Price formed the low here, but we don't really like. Let's see the first candle. Interesting. Let's see price come in here, reject the low, and then we can probably take a trade. Oh, that's a very nice rejection. There you go. Oh my god, that's bearish. Holy, that's bearish. Oh my god. Well, let's see how price behaves here. Good rejection. Only another one. That's actually very good. But we like our black candles. So if price goes up, can get a short off of this last week's low. Nice rejection there. Oh, it's actually just going up. Right now, this open and we're at the high of, we're still at the highs of open. Remember, we're quite bullish, so there's that. Overall, for the week, last week we were downtrending and we were bearish, so nice rejection here. It's just the power candle was bad, so we didn't have a real trade. This was very good follow-up though. If this was down, we would have taken it, I guess. If this was on the short side, we would have taken it, right? So might as well have taken that 75, so risking 100 there, and then the next one will be what's it called? So 75, risking 100, and then the next one will be maybe 150. Yeah, we should have taken that. And then price came low and stopped us out, because the next point we want price to come down around here, and then we can take a trade off of here. We should have taken this. We don't normally take blues, that's why we didn't take it. But that was not. I did say that was a good trade. Like, that was very good rejection. So we should have taken that. And first risk was 100, so it was nice. Looking for 200. We didn't get up to 200, but we know price dropped from here. But right now, we're not seeing any real bearish momentum yet. And price above last week's low. Oh, but the prior candle wasn't bad, so it was indecisive. Oh, price is now bearish. Like, really bearish. I was gonna say it's not a bad point to close there, right there. And price was really bad. I think I would have closed there. If I didn't close there, then close here. So indecisive plus a bearish candle where it was above this last week low, so it's not the best entry. But it broke this momentum, so that's pretty good. So if you did take that using this high, you'd have been taking it straight here, risking 100 plus 40, 140 and 180. So 140 looking for 280. Right now there's no entry for the long, so you're pretty good. But you'd have to watch how price behaves here. That's good rejection. See another one. That's another good rejection. Oof. That's heavy. That's heavy. So if you did take, so you switch your trade there, and you have to want to switch your trade here. So we're risking this low here, so we probably want to risk a lot lower, because so 100 on the first one right under the last month low, and then the next one we're risking 170, because price is dropping right now and we don't know where price wants to really drop to. So that's a base right there. Let's see how price behaves. First candle rejection. It's okay. Oh, it didn't give us an entry. or a reason to close our trade there. It's just dropped. I guess it dropped because he didn't wanna give us an entry because with this volume you should hold this still. Holding. There you go. Like some people might say this is overkill. Like Michael, this is over. Why are you risking all the way in Jamaica? 100 is the first one, so leave at 200. Bro, look at 200 right there. Come on, like that's fine. You got a TP on that. 200 done, finito. Remember last week's low, so look at the rejections. But there's not much volume in that, so wait. Closing above, there you go, easy. Oh my god, look at the volume. Oh my god, that's heavy volume. We have to wait for another candle. That closed below the last week low though. So let's see another candle. That's not continuation. We're still waiting. Okay, we should close our trades here now. 10:30. Yeah, we should close our trade there. Getting short there. Risking this high first, so that's 110. So 20 above this high. That's just up there. Risking this high and then risking 170 or 1. So 20 above this high is 130, and then 20 above this high is 1. Let's just say we're risking 150 and 130. This base already got broken through, so this candle looks like a candle that wanna. But remember, there was this move up from here, so let's see our price with this low of attraction. We keep holding. Oof, price is going up. Broke above the last week low again. It's not very good. That's not the best at all. Breaks the high and we've lost that trade. There was this volume here. This was a nice low, but it broke the low, but it wasn't showing any signs of rejection at all. Coming back here, this was good volume. Wasn't heavy, but it was good, and it was rejection at the bottom. And then this candle, we got in here, but this candle, why did we get in here? The prior candle wasn't bearish. I mean, it's closing because it closed below the last week low. And we're close to this base that formed on the way up. That's another thing too. So why did we? It was holding. Should have even added here, because the base was holding to the long side. Should have added there. Obviously don't want to risk this low, so we risk below this, so not for 20 plus this, maybe even risking like, I'd want to risk like maybe even here 90, because that's a low, but it's too close. So being too close, we just risk 40 plus this, so that's 80. Risk 80 here. Let's make it 90 here. Because of this week, risking another week, and then that'll be the first trade, and then the next trade will be risking under this low here, so plus 20. This 110 plus 20, 130. Or you could just reach the low itself. And we're break even on these trades, right? So we have taken 10%. We're not getting again another 25%. We're risking 25% on this trade. And on that 90, you'll have gotten 180 soon. There you go, 180 done, and then you hold the other for So that 130, looking for 260 to get out some 25%. That's good volume to the short side, very good volume, and it's about to break this other volume off. So it's holding, Oh, that's not very good. And this is good volume. But there's no need for us to go in short up here because there's no, oh, this is where it dropped from. So the drop here makes sense. But we'll hold because it's not really dropping here. Like those are not short candles. It could pull back, yes. Maybe because we're holding, we'll definitely have to be out of this somewhere in here, and then we're out of the 10%, so we're holding the remaining 30%. So we could hold that. Maybe we drop, take out, and now we're risking 130, looking for 260, right? So yeah, we'll just hold all three. $260, close to 260 because of the way price traded here. But now price has given us another low here. Oh, but it's already time. We're not going to take a trade anymore. At this point, well, we're done trading there. Yeah, there was no trade here. Why did I quickly go in short here? I saw this volume compared to this volume. This volume was nice. It was big, but there was rejection at the bottom. And then on this one, yes, it was a good bearish candle, but the prior candle, we need 2 candles confirmation, right? That's the deal. And we got it wasn't indecisive, it was bullish. This was indecisive. That's why we took this short. This was bullish and bullish. We took the long. Bullish, indecisive, bullish. We took the long. Bullish, indecisive. Actually, bullish, indecisive. We should probably wait for another bullish, which will be here. But at this point, it would have broken this low. But with this rejection, my apologies also. It's not the type of candle that actually, yeah, it's not because of there's barely any wick at the top, and it didn't, like, if it was the type of candle that would recover the wick at the bottom, it would need to close maybe around up there. Like, it's one of those. It's ugly. It's an ugly candle. Something like this one now. You see, it would not recover the wick below, but something like this one here, it has some wick on the top, and then a body, and then long wick at the bottom. This one would recover the low. It try to recover the low, and then you have rejection there. But this one, you see, this perfect example. It's tiny body but really long wick. This one has a visibly okay body. Tiny body, really long wick. You can expect that one to cover the wick. So this one, no, it doesn't. It's not going to try and cover the wick. But generally, you can always just get in long when it doesn't have or get in on the wick when it doesn't have a wick at the top. Generally, so you can just say, oh, if there's no wick at the top, so just like the bearish candle that we like, that one that doesn't have wick at the bottom is just up and rejection. But the rejections are always closer to the center. This one is way above the center. Like, these ones are iffy, but it's not a bad trade to take that one there still. This Tuesday was the day. So again, we had a bunch of rejection. Now we have a bullish candle. We're still on a downtrend. Go to the hourly. That's 5 a.m. That's 6 a.m. Go to the 15. Black line here. Nice run from that. Black line here. Nice run up there. That's about it. Lows, we got one here. Got one here. We got one here. Got some here. just here, I guess. And then we got one here. So we go to the 5, it basically aligns. And then we wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 is the next one. Alright, so for bullish, one price comes to this base here, and we'll take a long. Remember, today is bullish. We're still on a downtrend. We're on downtrend daily. We're on downtrend weekly. We're bearish weekly, but we're bullish on the day, and we're bullish on the prior day price action, and we are bullish overall price action for the prior month, and we're on an uptrend for the prior month. So overall, the highest time frame monthly, which is quote unquote not the highest, but I'll say that's our highest time frame. We're on an uptrend, and for the weekly, we're on a downtrend. So it's conflicting. So we're able to take either directions. These are interesting plays here. So we'll see how price behaves. If we get momentum to short side, we're going short. If price drops and we get a good rejection, we're going long. That's what really is. That's the first candle. That's okay. Bunch of rejections here. I don't know why. How far is this low from up there? It's not too far actually. Not too far actually. Well, we'll wait. There you go. No rejection. Nice rejection. Indecisive, but we can take that, I guess. Long there. Risking 70 plus 20 is 90, but we'll just risk 101. We'll just risk 100, and then on the next one risk 20 below this low. So we'll just risk 150. 100 and 150. Alright, let's see what the price does. We haven't stopped out yet. Our stop is under this, right? For the first one. We just got stopped out on that one. Black line is holding. There was a base here too. Price came to the base. Indecisive. Bearish rejection. See why I don't like getting in on. It's just this one. I'll remove this trade. I don't want to be getting in on the blue. I prefer to get in on a black candle. Ideally. Black candle ideally. Up or down. Black candle ideally, but up. Blue candle ideally. But we don't mind a black up because that's what shows us momentum. For the down, for a long, we don't really wait for momentum down. We just take the rejections. So since we're only taking rejections, so we don't wait for momentum, might as well just wait for a black candle. So we'll not take that trade. Wait for a black candle. Price came here, reject, really good momentum. So now price is really falling. We're in no trades. When price came back up to retest here, you could have taken a short here, risking the base, so 70 plus maybe 100 there, and then 160 on the other. Could have done that if you were not in any trades too, that are best, and then you're waiting for price to come to this week's low, because after that price broke through these lows. Rejection at this top here, but it's not enough. One price comes to this week's low at the very least, or ideally come to the black line. So let's see what price wants to do. Pushes back up, rejects still, pushes back down. We'll close our trade here because, well, indecisive, bearish. Sure. I'll take this trade. Take it there instead. Because it actually is good. But the thing is, now I'm risking probably 110, and So let's say 40 above this, so that's like 130, and then under 40, 170. I'll just risk this high here, so 190. That's gonna be our play. I don't mind the play. I'll take it. But price is consolidating here. I don't really like that. Don't really like that. It hasn't done any real bullish move. It's consolidating right under the, but it's already broken this whole thing here. But it's consolidating right under the black line, so it may shoot over at any point, or shoot to the bottom too. But yeah, nice. So honestly, at this point, we're break even. So price has come. It's actually holding this. Indecisive. Let's wait for another candle. Yeah. So indecisive. Wait for a rejection that is not there's not an indecisive candle, you know. On this one here, it was indecisive doji. Oh no, rejection, because this was not indecisive. It was just rejection at the bottom with wick at the top, and then it was a doji, but it was a bullish doji. If you check most of our trades with just normal rejections or rejection and indecisive. No, this is just a doji. It's not indecisive. I mean, the doji can be called indecisive to an extent, but yeah. For the most part, you just want to take your trades at clear candles that tell you what the price wants to do. Like if it's a bunch of indecisives only, but if you have you know, at this point here, there was the momentum up, there was rejection here, wasn't much volume to it, but then there was this one which was actually very good, lots of rejection there, and this at the base here, right? So and then there was this, and then there was now an indecisive candle, but there was more wick to the top side. That's the idea. Which one has more wick? You know, this one is basically the same. This one has more wick to the top side. This one is basically the same, and then they were all indecisive. There's no real. This was the first real bullish stuff there, and on top of that is right under the consolidation that just happened. So we need, for it to break consolidation, it will need to push above with like almost 1 or 2 candles maybe. So we broke downwards. That's what, if we had broken upwards, that would have been very good for us, because it would have been bad because now price will likely stop us out, but good because we'll be able to take a long trade using this consolidation plus all of this consolidation. But it broke downwards, it's going to be heavy. So we had this risking plus 40, so 130, right? 130 looking for 260 down there. But we have this black line here. That's rejection. That's rejection too. But here, let's say price is dropping. Right here, it's actually holding. That has more rejection to the top side. Let's hold. Price got a big rejection off the last week's low. That's nice. Oh, another rejection of this black candle. Like it's really holding here. I mean, price did move up quite a bit from here, so. But this type of candle that may go and test the lows there. So let's see. It's not bad to have taken that trade there, given the fact that it broke what rejected, and we had a very nice push from here. So your trades on these lows here, even though you took it on the blue or on the black, which was second rejection, but not a very bullish rejection. We took it on this black candle here, it would have been not the most bullish, but the prior candle was bullish. It was bullish rejection, so it's fine. So 60 plus 20, 100. Might as well just risk down here. So 120, and then risk down here 160. Just risk under 170. So 120, 170 would have been your risk. Price has come into this base here. So the price is gonna pop up here. It's gonna rally really heavy. So it's holding the base. It's holding. Heavy rejection. Heavy rejection. Let's see the next candle. It's holding. It's not holding anymore. But it's above the week's low. But that was really heavy momentum right there. It's not holding now. So if you got in long here, it's your best interest to maybe not here, maybe here actually, or even the blue candle is fine because it's the third one, even though there's more rejection to the downside on that candle there. So here, ideally should have been here though. Then you have to switch your trades, close all your longs here and switch the trades, even though it may pop up still. So you'll be risking about 90 or just 110 here, and then risking above this, so 160. That would be my risk. Nice. So first one was 110. We're looking for 220. We haven't got into 220 yet. 220 is just down here. Yeah, force of attraction on this low. So there you go. Close our profit there, and then now we're looking for 170. We got 340. Oh my god, 340. And now we're just holding one trade the rest of the day. We haven't got any real swing up to the upside yet, and we haven't got any continuation, any trade we can add, so we're fine still. You could have taken this last month, but it's risky. There's no real place to add. Oh, this is where we close our trade right here. So that one, oh, not there. So that 340 would have been here. Close that 340 there, close 2, and then you hold the remaining for that. Close it down there, 580. That's almost 4R. That's almost 40%. No, that's almost 20% on the remaining 5% that you were holding. So, given the fact that you already made 40%, you almost made 20% on top of that. So, you'll be up like almost 60% on that trade. What did I just do? What did I just do? Interesting. I don't even know what I did. So like at this point, when this volume came in, first you want to just put your stuff as break even. Then you wait for the next candle because it was pretty bullish up until that point. You wait for the next candle. The next candle closed above the wick, but it was bearish. You could have taken a trade on that candle, same risk style, or you could have held for the next candle. The next candle was confirmation for sure. We do even need to know, so price opened there, closed at the lows. So downtrend and bearish, everything's bearish. Tomorrow I'm more likely to be more, you can see the daily if you want, I guess. So it's bearish, and also we're in a downtrend. Yeah, I'll still say we're still in a downtrend because price is very likely to break this low. So we're still in a downtrend. and we're bearish. So tomorrow, since not everything with the is 6, so that, that. Since the month is still uptrend and bullish, we're still gonna take longs if we see some, but ideally we're looking more short today. So we have this black line here. Let's do this. Let's just adjust this one. Go back. Adjust this one here. Price coming here would really face some rejections unless price shoots above that. And then we have this one here. There's like 3 black lines here. And yes, we can take some longs, but well, where do you want us to take a long from? There's not even lows we can use, so price has formed this low here. It's actually very good, but it's right under this, so we'll just wait, see what the price wants to do here. Market open. Looks like it wants to continue this downtrend, but we'll still wait. That low. The reason why I say price response, like, it could be like a liquidity grab on a higher time frame, you know. See, a liquidity grab on a higher time frame. No, let me talk to you. But we didn't know that's what would happen. There was no low for us to risk. So now there's a low. Let's not try to take too risky trades. Let's just chill. There's this base here, drop, base drop. There's a base here with the highs up there, rejecting right now. Second candle rejection. Still bullish. Oh, nice rejection. But this is just the first candle, so we need another rejection. It's like, damn though. Oof. Price is just going up, no trades. Oh, who there? Let me talk to you. Price has found this base here, so let's put that in mind. May drop at any point from here, plus we have this base at the last month low. Watch out for that. Nice rejection, continuation. Oof, that's a nice rejection there. It's a very nice rejection. Volume has come to the short side, it seems. Or it came to touch the base, and rejected, I guess. But we needed 2 candles, so let's see how price behaves at this base down here. Oh, breaks through. Well, price shut up from here, so this is the low that we're watching. Let's see how price behaves down here. Nice rejection. Nice rejection. Okay, that's not bad at all, but there's no volume to it, and it's not like it's a base, but it's a black line closing on any black line. There's a high you can use to risk. It's just the volume is not there. There's no volume to it. Let's wait one more candle. Yeah, there's no volume to that. That's nice. Really nice rejection as approaching the high. Really nice rejection as approaching the high. Not a bad trade right here. I really like this rejection. We'll just take a 10% trade, because I like the rejection, but I need it to form, like, to give me volume. It's pretty bullish right now. Rejection at the black candle there. See, it's pretty bullish. Oh, also price formed some kind of base here, and there's a low here. There's a low here now. Let me draw this and put this low. So we got a low here, a low here now, and then price formed this low here. There's this low here, low here, low here, low here. This is an okay low, this is an okay low. And then price came to this base and popped up. That's why I was hesitant to take that short. It's not the I saw the rejection, which is it makes sense, but it's not, and there was indecisive then rejection, so that's why it was okay, but it's not. I was thinking about, at the back of my head I was thinking about this. Where was the trade? Was it yesterday? No, it wasn't this one. Was it this one? Yeah, it was this one here. Volume came in. That was the difference. Because it looked good to short, but it could have popped because price formed something here. So that's why we should wait for volume, man. Always wait for volume to an extent. Unless you're approaching a base, that's a different thing. Or unless you're what's it called? Unless, because right here price it's already shown strength to the upside. If it was the first candle, hit the black line, rejected, short, you could quick, and then there was highs that you could use. Yeah, you could quickly take a short. But this is different, so that's why I won't take this one. But we also don't have any. We're waiting for price to come down a little lower, take a long, but it didn't come lower. So approaching last month's low. Not much volume to the short side yet. Rejection, heavy rejection, and there's a base there. Looks like it's breaking the base though. And it looks like the type of candle that price wants to fill to the upside. So let's see. It's not filling. These are some heavy rejections. There's a base here. Nice rejection. Nice candle there. Let's look for a black candle. And get a black candle. It was very bullish. This one right here, very, very bullish. If you took this trade here, without this is a low, yes, but you want to risk like, oof, at least this low here. So the first one will be 125, and the next one you want to risk down there was pretty far. That's why we like black candles. So far today, there's been the only place really that you could have taken a trade, because we knew that this was a clean base that formed here, and then this was very heavy momentum to the downside. Good rejection, but it's good momentum to the downside, but there's no follow up. So that means something, you know. And yesterday was we're still on an uptrend. We're still on a downtrend. We're still on a downtrend, and but overall uptrend on the prior month. So on the monthly still an uptrend, but yeah, this was a risky trade, but was a doable trade. And then this happens. We have this pulls back. This was nice rejection actually on this candle here, and this candle had okay rejection. Could have gotten in on this blue candle here because it broke the prior high. Unlike this one, unlike this one here, this one didn't break the prior high, right? High of this was 32.89, 32.89. It didn't break. This one broke the prior high. So you could have gotten on a long there on that one, because it pulled back to here. We ideally want to see a lower rejection and actual rejection, but you could have still taken this one if you wanted. This is the only low you have, so risking 40 under this low and then 80 under this low. You'll be way over 200 already. Way over 200 already. So the only one you could risk is 10%. You could take a 10% trade there. If you pop lower, then you could take another 15% trade. Not a bad idea there. But otherwise, there's no trade today. We didn't really get opportunities to trade today. Maybe in here. had this rejection. We know that there's no reason for us to take a short here, and there was actually good momentum going up. This candle was good, it just rejected out of nowhere. The volume was okay, then indecisive, then bullish rejection, and then pulls back. So now this, you can take it off of this base here. Take it off of this base here, so right there, risking this low, or risking 40 under, so 160, and then you just risk 250. Holy shit, it's above 200, so you probably only risk 160 or something, or maybe even risk 200. That'll probably be your only trade. This is the best trade in this whole moves here. The best trade I could find. And there was this pullback, but it's not enough. There was this pullback, but it's not a black candle. It's not this pullback here is not a black candle. Oh yeah. Reject. This was very clean. It was a very clean rejection. You could have taken that trade though. So let's say you took this trade here, you could have taken this trade because it's off a base, right? So given that it's off a base, rally, and you didn't break the low, you have taken that trade, risking maybe even break even or some 175, and then put this as break even. So that's under 10% or 15% now that you have risk. I'll give a 350 on it, and then you keep holding. That's nice momentum to the downside. Oh, we're pretty bullish. I don't think price is going to come back down or anything. Already broken this base here. Price has this doji. There's the last one low there. I think we're fine. Looks like it wants to break it though. Oof, annoying. This base here. We're break even on this already, but damn. Well, price came up here. There was this rejection, but there was no volume on this rejection, and now there was volume, but there was no continuation. So I was still watching. Oh shit! Price drop, base drop again. I keep not seeing, but there's no trade anyways because it didn't give me that 2 rejection that we want. Yeah, we knew price could drop at any point from this, because if you look at the 15, remember the 15, this is what it looks like. So price could find a drop at any point in here, and yeah, so this was at any point could drop basically. So this came in, nice rejection, but there was no real there was no volume to it. There was just a lot of momentum to it. And so next candle rejection still. That rejection was actually really nice. This one was one I like with this candle is the one I like, so that's actually really nice. I'll probably pay attention to that for live trading. And then we had this rejection here, this volume here, lots of volume, that drop. But then the next candle was more indecisive. that a continuation, and it made sense because there's last month's low here, so it was holding, but there was no volume to the, yeah. Could have taken that trade, I guess. Risking 130 to 170 and 210 or 200, I guess. So we're in at this next candle looking for 170, so looking for 340. The short would have been on the indecisive candle, I guess, but since it's at the monthly low, you just wait. Maybe once it broke, you could have taken that short, or maybe on the retest, you could have forced this short here versus maybe here. I think here is better versus given that there's a lot of momentum on this, a lot of volume too, taking that trade, saying it won't break the base. It's not two rejections, it's one, so that's why it's risky. You'd have probably been waiting for another rejection, knowing me. I think I'll be waiting for another rejection. But yeah. Or if you say, oh, you wanted to get in here, but you couldn't, and it's broken below, yeah, and then you could force this trade, but I'd just say wait for another rejection. There's no need to force trades really. It's just one day we've not had good opportunities in like a lot of days. So don't stress it. There's some days you will just not have good opportunities. Don't stress it. We had this low held. Oh, we can't take a trade anymore. It's past 1 and it's already like 125. No need to take a trade anymore. No need. Could be like something like 170 and 100. 100 you're going 200 and then 170 you're going 340 there. And you'll be holding the last one, but this will happen and close your trade here. Alright, let's do the last day before we go chill, before we sleep. Kind of tired, as you can hear my voice has gone down a lot. There's more bass in my voice now because I'm tired. I don't have that energy to talk a little louder. Alright, so we got today's indecisive. We're still on a downtrend. We still have a lot of reason to take shorts. So let's go. Well, overall, don't forget overall, we're still on an uptrend. So that's 5 a.m. 6 right there. Go to the 15. Price has traded this now. There's no other real drops that we care about. We have this here, black line here. That's about it. The rest have been traded through. This is a 15, so yes, for today we should have had this. It's not really there. Yeah, there's nothing else really. Alright, go to 5. Well, let's remove this. And then for the 5 we have this low, which is right there. We just put that there. And then we have this other low. And that's it. Oh no, that's not. There's this one here, but let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, it's kind of this one here. I don't like this base, but it held, so there's that. Let's do it for the 1 candle. That's 730. Don't like that, so wait. That's not bad. Yesterday was bearish, downtrend. Weekly is downtrend, bearish. But monthly is uptrend and bullish, so we'll take very clear. Now that we have basically all downtrend bearish, we'll only take very clear uptrend trades. So very clear uptrend trades. Oh no, yesterday was downtrend indecisive. So it was this day we should have taken very clear uptrend trades, yeah, on this day. This one was indecisive, but on a downtrend. If price comes here and rejects, we already have the black line here too, so it's not a bad idea to take some trades, risking down those two lows. It's a nice rejection. Price fell a lot from here. Quite a nice rejection here, but we'll wait. Okay, that's I was gonna say that's volume, but it's just there. Alright, so we got our move down to here. I think this is too much. We got 130, so 150, and then this low is 217. But it's not a bad move here though. Let's give it another candle. Yeah, we should have taken that. Yeah, I'll take that. Taking that, man. That's such a good candle too. So taking that trade there. I will probably just get into, so it will be 130, so 170, no 150, and then this will be just a 200 risk, just like 200 risk. So there's that. And if we put this thing here, let's say we put the low, the low to be 20 under this, so 8262, and then that's where we want to risk low. We want it to be at the max 200. Right, so technically we'll be looking to enter somewhere here. But if price is all the way here, then we should just risk exactly the low there, and that will give us all the way here. So next trade will be in here somewhere. So 150, 200, looking for price to really pop up. That's nice momentum. We didn't have any black lines here, but price did drop from here. Nice rejection. It's actually not bad, but there's no momentum to the. This still has a wick at the bottom, so but there's no momentum to the downside yet, not yet for sure. So 150, are we at 300 yet? 290, 300. So we got 20% already. Price is rejecting last month low, but it's broken through all of this, and there's no momentum to the downside yet. We're still watching. We have this base that's formed here. It's a nice rejection, but the low is pretty far, so we'll just watch. Bad rejection right there. It's really rejecting of the low. So there was rejection here, and then there was this candle. So you could have taken this only 10%, entering with only 10%, since you are still holding your 15 anyways. Entering only 10% there, you could have, because it's the base. Remember, on the base we don't mind the black candle. So 90, probably risk like 130. And it breaks above. So on this 15% that's left, we're looking for 400, right? So 400, just above. But price is not going there. Who knows? May have closed all the three there because we got in this two. So now because price dropped from here, closed right below the last month low, and was very bearish on the close too, but prior candle was okay. But still bullish overall. Still watching. still watching. We like the fact that we see the fact that it dropped from there, but there is not that's a bearish moment, a bearish volume, yes, but it's not enough for us to take the short yet. So at this point, we'll be break even, and that candle there will be break even on this trade. So we're watching. On this pullback, this candle right here was not a bad idea to get in. Since we are now break even at this point, not a bad idea to get in on this candle right here, this particular candle here. Risking this low here, so 150. Not a bad idea at all. So we're risking 10%, we're break even, so you can risk another 10% on that trade there. And on this one, you're risking 130, looking for 260, right? So still looking for that 260, and then on the other one, looking for 300. Price is really pushing up today. So 260, you probably got that here already. That was 260 right there, and then now you're holding this 10%. What's the time here? 12:20. You see volume, see short side, that's only when we can. So 300 is what we're looking for on this 10%. So we'll have taken one. Maybe it would have been 15%, who knows? Because we're at 10%, so 15% here. And that 10% break even, so we're taking one at the 300, holding the other two, maybe taking wait, let's see volume to the short side. Or 125. Take another one there since price is coming down. There you go. And what is this? 150. And that's it. You close all your trades there. Your remaining one trade there. Close it there. 380. First, you had to get in long here. Once price came here with nice rejection, getting long there, taking both trades. Even that this was that price really broke all of that. At the base here, it didn't go close to the lows, and then had a nice rejection. So we didn't take this first rejection, took the second one. Risking there, but we only took 10% because we're still at 15% here. So we only took 10% because there's only this low, and this low is pretty far. So we took 10%, and then it came back again to give us another trade. We're break even at this point on this 10%. We had closed this one that we're risking 200. We're looking for 400. So we probably have closed that up there, and then now we added another 15% there. Because we closed this one, so added another 15%, risking down there, and then that's 150. So that's what we held one of it all through this, and that's Friday. That's it, guys. I am going to chill and sleep. Tomorrow is Thursday. See you guys at the day trading.